with. Molding a man takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision. That you gave him something to read. These kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. Well worth it, I believe.
4 books every young man should have. First book is Molding a Man. And it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. Second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man. It goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bowers. I'm the creator of the YouTube channel, Molding a Man. I started this channel to try to help parents, mothers and fathers create their young man into a great man, helping them build them from the ground up. I also wrote 4 books that are trying to do the same thing by putting out information to parents or father and to young men that'll help them become great men. I also have a website which I have my clothing brand on, and there's 3 lines. There's the Molding a Man line, there's the Father for Life line, and the Dad Forever line. These clothing brands are for us men that are fathers, and it shows the recognition that we are great fathers because the people that we love bought it for us so that they show their appreciation for what we do. But today's video is where I want to comment on something that I see throughout the internet and basically throughout the world, that non-black Americans think that black people are lazy or that they're dumb. It's the farthest thing from the truth. And I just wanted to put out a little bit of information that can show that that narrative is wrong. So the black American GDP that the black people in America create every year is $1.6 trillion. Yep, just the black community in America creates that amount of money. And when I looked at it, out of the 177 countries around the world, that amount of money is number 11. So there's 66 that are below that amount of money. 166 countries around the world don't make that much money, but the black American community does. One of the myths that is also out there that majority of black people are on welfare. Well, out of all the people that are on welfare, 46% of them are white people, 26% are black, and then the rest are the Asians, Native American, and everybody else, Hispanics. So that myth is shot all the way out of the box. Out of all the athletes, sports around the world, black players, black athletes are some of the best in all sports. That right there shows that black people are not lazy. Also, in the black American community, there are 2 million black millionaires. 2 million. And that's probably 25% more people than 25% of the countries around the world have in their country. 2 million. So, you need to educate yourself before you make yourself look dumb. And hopefully this will resonate with you and help you understand that black people are far from lazy or dumb.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man.
Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
What this sound is, everybody knows what they bout to hear. Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words is bond, so takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth.